Hello. How are you today?
I'm great. How about you?
I'm good, but I'm a little hungry.
Again? You're always hungry.
Well, talking in English makes me hungry.
Really? I think you just love food.
Maybe you're right.
So, what are we talking about today?
Today, we're learning how to talk in English.
That's a great topic.
Tell me, is speaking English difficult?
Sometimes.
That's okay.
Yes. Nobody is perfect.
Even I make funny mistakes.
Really?
Oh, yes.
Tell me one.
One day, I wanted to say, I'm excited.
And?
I said, I'm exhausted.
Oh no!
Everyone asked, are you tired?
That's so funny.
Mistakes can make us smile.
And mistakes help us learn.
Exactly.
So, how can we start a conversation?
Easy.
I'm ready.
Say, hello.
Hello.
Say, how are you?
I'm fine. Thank you. How about you?
I'm doing great.
See? That's easy.
Wait,
What happened?
I forgot my next sentence.
Don't worry.
That's another lesson.
Which lesson?
Don't panic if you forget a word.
Just keep talking.
That's the secret.
What should we talk about?
Family.
Friends.
Food.
Hobbies,
Movies.
music.
And food again.
I knew you would say that.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza.
Pizza?
Yes.
I love biryani.
Good choice.
Do you cook?
Yes, I do.
Really?
A little.
Can you cook biryani?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Okay, not really.
What's your hobby?
I like reading books.
I like playing football.
Are you good at football? Yes?
I think the ball is afraid of me.
That's impossible.
Maybe I'm afraid of the ball.
See? Talking in English can be fun.
Yes! You don't need difficult words.
Use simple sentences.
Speak slowly.
Smile.
Ask questions.
Listen carefully.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Don't be shy.
Practice every day.
1 minute.
5 minutes.
10 minutes.
Every day.
Little by little.
Step by step.
Day by day.
Your English will improve.
We believe in you.
Keep talking.
Keep practicing.
Keep smiling.
And don't forget to laugh.
Because learning English should be fun.
Thank you for joining us.
See you next time.
Keep speaking English.
Goodbye.